All right, for a brief summary, starting around 24 hours ago nearly, we started to see a swelling of activity from 3078 and 3079 regions, and we began to see multiple filament eruptions and multiple growth to the regions themselves, and saw our first M class at 1436, a 1.02 M class. Then saw an M class of a 2.75 at 1654, and an M class of 1.01 at 1734. All these times are UTC. And then an M class, which was undisclosed exactly because during that time frame, GOES X-ray flux was down, and then an M class of a 1.2 at 2152 UTC, and all of those were on the 15 August 2022. And we have yet to see the M class breach on the 16th of August, but there have been multiple attempts, so to speak. But during that time frame, we have seen multiple eruptions and multiple other CMEs post flare activity, and currently looking at one of the more beautiful solar flares with a coronal mass ejection post. And this particular coronal mass ejection is directed directly at Earth, and it's going to be moving pretty quickly, being that there is a coronal hole just north of 3078 region. And this activity could very well put us into maybe even G3 category. So depending on how the orientation of the storm is, along with the other storms that are already coming, these solar storms could have a rather significant impact on our satellite technology, satellite communications, the risk and threat assessment for the astronauts in space. But overall, I would not assess anything of any kind of doom or gloom. Anytime you hear anyone start talking about apocalyptic type events, this isn't nearly enough to cause such a thing. This is something that we've seen many, many times. So, but just to reiterate, multiple M classes, a good series of coronal mass ejections, and this one in particular, a very beautiful one that's directly towards Earth.